Hello guys, today in this video we are going to see a business scraper that you can make with the help of Apify and the Google Sheets in an n8n. So basically I covered the Apify in my previous videos. So if you are not aware of Apify, please go ahead and check out those videos. But for this video, we will make a Apify business scraper that scrapes Google Maps, and after scraping Google Maps, it filters out those businesses which don't have websites, and then those business have websites. It to go to those websites and to scrape the data from there and to look all the businesses uh, in this process. So let's see how it works. So basically we are using Apify. So that I open. Here is our Apify URL. Don't worry, I will give you access of all this template. And here is our API key. I can't show you full API key, but this is our API key. And then here we are saying language, EM stands for English, location query, Canada, maximum called places per search 5, search strings array landscapers, as we are searching landscapers in this example. We can change any of this field. Let I say set it for 2. It is 2 less, but let's try. Then we filter out those businesses, those those don't have websites by this filter. Then we are looping it and we are just scraping the website of the business that we have filtered. And after it, we are just storing in it Google Sheets. So let's deactivate Google Sheets for right now, because we don't have to see a Google Sheets currently. We have to see the result. So let's test workflow. It is running. It is taking a bit time and this completed. So here it give us the URL, phone, and Instagram too, Facebook. Very nice. It is giving us too much data. I just deactivated this Google Feed because I Hmm, it is here. Now it's sorted. You can add your Google Feed and first add these headers in it: business name, city, niche, email, phone, ID, and you're good to go. Now if you click on it, it will run and save the whole results. So yeah, this is the whole video on you know, business script with Apify. So here in Automation OS, I build workflows for you. So and store them in our automation vault. So it is currently new and it is for free right now. So if you want to join this community, the link is given in description. Please join. Thank you.